Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for returning back. Now for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to put together and make rice water. And I'm sure you have seen all over YouTube how to make rice water, the benefits of rice water for your hair, skin and all that jargon. Really not sure if rice water is going to make my hair stronger, longer and better. I just thought I'm going to try it. I'm going to try it because I want to see if it's going to work for me as well. I mean, does it really make your hair strong? Does it make your hair grow? I need to know for myself. I need to try it for myself. I don't need to be watching the videos. So if you want to see how I put it together and how I use it on my hair and if it's actually going to work, and then we're going to see how my hair looks like after. Keep watching. So first things first, I'm going to rinse it, and I've got 1 cup of rice here, and I'm just removing any dirt or impurities. Now after I put it into a container, I'm going to cover it with 2 cups of water. I could actually leave the rice to soak for 15 to 30 minutes, but I'm going to leave it for 24 hours because I want to ferment the rice. And I've got to swirl it about a bit so that the water gets a little bit cloudy, and as you can see, it's already turning cloudy. This will help the vitamins and the minerals seep into the water, creating a nourishing rinse for your hair. So this is the result of leaving it to ferment for 24 hours, but I went ahead and diluted it further so that I would have enough rice water to cover my whole hair. So on to the detangling, which I know is going to be a problem because I have not done anything with my hair for the last 3 weeks. There's a good reason for that. I just like to every now and again not do anything to my hair, less manipulation and tugging and all that jazz. Does my hair a world of good. So the detangling is going to be really interesting. So I guess this is where we put the rice water to the test because it's supposed to be good for detangling. So I'm just going to give you a little bit more information about rice water. If you were unaware like me, the Yao ethnic women from a village in China is a true testament to this tradition. With their average hair length, which is about 6 feet, that's right, 6 foot, cannot believe it. These women believe that the fermented rice, which they use to cleanse their hair, is what helps keep their long hair dark and clean. And another amazing thing about rice water is that it has inositol, a carbohydrate which helps repair damaged hair. Hello? You see, studies shows that inositol stays inside your hair even after rinsing, offering a continuing hair protection. Needless to say, this is definitely my kind of hair rinse. So guys, I've rinsed out the rice water from my hair. Did have it in my hair longer than 30 minutes though. Yeah. Now bearing in mind, my hair hasn't been combed for 3 weeks. Let me just show you. For 3 weeks, this ain't bad. I would normally have like a clump of shedding coming out of my hair. If I do 3 weeks, I mean, this is what comes out sometimes for a week. So, listen, I gotta say, I did not want to believe that the rice water was going to work. Let me tell you, it actually works. The shedding was minimal. The detangling was actually much better to detangle my hair. My hair feels stronger. It really does feel strong. I don't know, I kind of was hoping that it wasn't going to work to say, aha, I told you so. Mind you, I did also go ahead and deep conditioned my hair. I gave my hair a shampoo and then I deep conditioned it with my regular conditioner and slapped on some Mel's Butter Me Up cream as well. Popped the heated cap on and then deep conditioned my hair. And when I rinsed it out, this is what I got. Nice curls. What I want to make a note about is how strong my hair feels. It feels so much stronger. Honestly, it just feels, I can't really explain it other than it feels stronger. I just can't. That's how it feels. So, you know what we're gonna do? We are gonna do this as a challenge. Yes, a rice water challenge. Are you gonna join me? I thought that we would do it for a whole month. I'm gonna do a rice water treatment once a week for a month. So for the next 4 weeks, or 3 weeks maybe. Anyway, this time next month in May 2018, I'm going to measure my hair again. So if I measure it now, we can see how much growth. And you know what, if you want to join me, can do as well. Let me know in the details below if you are going to be joining this rice water challenge to see if we can get our hair healthier and stronger and long. Okay, so what have we got? We've got 13. See that? That's 13 inches. I'm going to do my fringe, as you can see. So we're going to get it from here. And this is a little bit less, I think. What does it say? There's just over 12 inches. Let's see if this works. Okay, so guys, come on, let's see if we can grow our hair nice and healthier and stronger and longer. But I just kind of feel like, I don't know, it's giving my hair some really nice volume. Anyway guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed it and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Thank you to my online friends. I appreciate you commenting, liking. I love it. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's absolutely free to do, and I would love you to join this channel. So guys, I will see you on my next video. Bye. Loving it. Loving it.